Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to attach the zip to the jacket. We are going to make this jacket front and we'll show you how to attach this pocket with zip. Let's see. First we'll take this red fabric of jacket and attach the fusing on it. We'll take this fabric of 2.5 inch width and 5 inch long. From shoulder we'll drop down at 9 inch and we'll attach here pocket in cross. So we are doing the marking for that. This flap we have to attach here. And this you have to cut. This is contrast color pocket so that you can easily see how we are going to sew it and see how we are going to attach this zip and make this pocket on sewing machine. First we'll do the marking on this canvas 5 inch long, as we have to make the pocket of 5 inch. On this cut mark we'll keep this canvas and we'll stitch here from all the side 1 centimeter. This way we have to stitch from all over. And take out and cut the threads. Now you have to cut the center part of stitch area where you have already marked. At corner you have to cut and give the small side cut like this. And with your nails you give the crease and fold it inside. This swatch will come out at back side of the fabric. You can see this is done. Now you keep this zip inside the open area. Keep it properly and place it properly at keyhole and stitch from all sides 0.5 centimeter. you have to open this zipper and take it at center so that you can easily stitch at corner. At the edge, you have to push your sewing machine slowly and turn at the corner. Now continue your stitching. And again you have to close your zipper and cross it. At corner you have to give extra attention so that it will give proper shape or rectangular. You check your zip whether it is properly attached or not. Now your zip is attached properly. You can see this. Cut this extra zip part. From both the sides. Now we have to attach this pocket from inside. Let's check this, how we are going to attach it. Now we are going to attach this one side at upper side of the zip and one part at lower side of the zip. Now we are going to attach this red color patch on the pocket because we are making here contrast color pocket to show you, but if we don't attach this patch it will be visible from inside the zip. So first you have to attach this patch here. This is 2-inch patch which we are going to attach here. We are attaching here from upside of the zip. Now this part we have to attach downward. This way you have to pick up the fabric with zip and stitch here. Now you have to stitch at both the side of the pocket and close it. Same way you have to stitch it another side also. You can see your pocket is nicely attached with the zipper. You can check it also. You can see this, how nicely we have attached it with easy method. For jacket, you have to cover it from back side with your lining so that your pocket is not visible from inside also. If you like this method, like us, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you.